another sad news for Disney. Looks like this lawsuit they have against Florida governor, looks like they just lost their appeal. And when you read the whole news about it, whole thing is just messy. I think personally, Disney, they should not have said anything. That being said, if you've been to Florida, Disney basically owns so much land there. They have so much power there, but the reason for them to go against the governor, Ron DeSantis, it's really like, I find it as a family company, Disney, they should not have said anything, but looks like they did went all in against him. But this lawsuit looks like judge just dismiss Disney's lawsuit against Florida's government, basically Lord DeSantis. This was a huge news, including the board he appointed to oversee Disney's property in Florida. The judge ruling in win for governor, escalating the legal battle with entertainment giant. That's right. The lawsuit, which was filed by Disney Park and Resort in April, accusing DeSantis like the weaponizing their political power, punished the company for exercising its right of free speech. Yeah, that was really, the whole thing was quite messy when it happened in April, so long time ago. I guess since then they tried to do this appeal with them. But since then, looks like Disney spokesperson, they are speaking out and they're talking about what is the next step for them. So looks like Disney spokesperson, they're saying that this is an important case with serious implication for the rule of law. It will not end here. The spokesperson said, if left unchallenged, this world certain dangerous precedent give license to state to weaponize their political, their official power to punish the expression of political viewpoint they disagree with. We are determined press forward with our case. Oh wow, really? They're going press forward with this? This is very interesting. I thought they will give up. I guess they're not giving up at this point. I suppose they could go to the other court and re-appeal or something like that, but at this point looks like judge has denied all the chances. And when this news came out, which is a couple of days ago, and I didn't know the whole deal, the lawsuit, what was about. And I think like I really wish that Disney, they didn't say anything about it, especially going against him. It was really full of them. Because you cannot go against them and win. But now looks like they're in a really bad position. Now looks like the government is actually, they're gonna, I guess, basically govern that space they own. And they own so much land in Florida. So in a point, I think Disney probably thought, end of the day, they do bring all this business there in Florida. All these tourists come because of them from all over the world. At the end of the day, the reason for them to go against it, the bill they are talking about, like the bill they went against, that's really ridiculous. Because as a family company, like why would you say anything about that? And again, I do acknowledge that they try to do, they were doing this for their employee, as I understand. I do understand also there will be one party will be happy with this news. One party will be like, oh, like why this happened. There's always two sides to the story, and someone who is just neutral, I will say personally, I wish they didn't say anything, because like it's not their business to say anything, especially the bill they went against it. Like I wish they didn't say anything. Now looks like they really, this, because losing this appeal looks really like they embarrassed themselves. Also they lost their power there, because before it all, they were doing everything. Now government have power there. So, it's it got complicated, because, when you do this kind of stuff, of course, that means I can't believe it. They lost this. They're a huge $1 billion company. They cannot win this. I saw some people are suggesting that they should donation huge amount to like this political party. Then they will like win this or something. And I'm like, you shouldn't say anything. You should just shut your mouth and do your business. And especially like as a movie person, I wish they didn't say anything, because it just affects their brand and everything. Yeah, it's really sad what happened here. And that's my thought on this. Let me know in the comment, what do you think about they lost this bill against the governor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to other videos on other topics. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. Until I see you next time, please take care.